That's the end result of a rare but important training opportunity for these soldiers of Ammo Platoon, Bravo Battery, 1st Battalion, 14th Field Artillery. In late September, they teamed up with Fort Sill 761st Explosive Ordnance Disposal Company to learn how to complete emergency destruction procedures of multiple launch rocket system ammunition and equipment at Crater Creek Demolition Area here at Fort Sill. Ammo Platoon Platoon Sergeant James Hartfield tells me it's important for his soldiers to know how to do this procedure in the unlikely event that their position was going to be overrun by enemy personnel. Hartfield says it's the first time he's witnessed this type of hands-on training in his 17 years in the Army and plans to recommend similar training in the future. Reporting for the United States Army Fire Center of Excellence, I'm Jason Kelly.